2005, je décidé de faire changement dans la vie. Changement que je décidé de faire dans la vie en 2005, je décidé pour evolve, learning, developing, and asserted myself as the leader the Creator created me to. I maximized my potential. I understood what I good at it and what I do not. I also took leadership and ownership for my failure. Sometimes, just like everyone else, I grab myself up. I lift myself up when I'm down. And I also acquaint myself with people who can help me out. Business leader, community leader, social leader, religious leader. Every one of those classes which I mentioned to you offer me one thing in common. If you're not financially stable, you're nobody. No one recognizes you. No one understanding you. And no one is doing anything for you. Your personal responsibility is to ensure that you're financially educated. You understood finance. You read finances book. You do financial homework. No one can do it by themselves. I couldn't do it by myself. Those leaders transcending my life. In other words, they take me to the next level. Because of the opportunity which I received from those leaderships, I want to transfer that back to you. Is the moment, the sense of urgency, and the moment is now. I want you to seize the opportunity to click on that video, request a moment to speak with me. That moment, just like all the leaders have done for me, will change your life forever. Until the next video, I look forward to speaking with you and to teach you finance, investment, and self-responsibility and self-accountable. Thank you.